Good morning. It is Brandy here with Addie's Boutique located in Alexandria, Louisiana. For those of you who don't know me, I am your best friend and personal stylist. You can check us out online at shopaddiesboutique.com. Again, shopaddiesboutique.com. So today we're going to have a little coffee chat. So I hope you have your cup of coffee with you. We have some exciting new things that are coming up for the boutique that I wanted to tell you about today. So if you're following us, whether it's on social media or YouTube, I'm really excited for you to find out all about this cool stuff. So grab your cup of coffee and let's dive in. So the first thing I want to talk about is this top that I have on. So, I haven't been happy with some of the trends that I'm seeing. Most of my customers, they we're in our 30s or 40s or 50s. We want to be cute. We want to be trendy. We're moms who want to look fabulous. However, we're not quite happy with some of the trends that are out there. One being that they believe that a size extra large just doesn't exist. And unless you don't develop your own line, that's one thing about these companies like Dillard's and Old Navy. They are able to get products special made for them, and they're able to get a size extra large, which is missing in the boutique industry. And let's be honest, the trends that are coming out, they look terrible. I mean, they're cute for the high school girls. They're cute for college girls. However, they're not practical for women who are moms and who are out in the real world working. We've already done the whole 90s vibe, the whole Daria clueless look. It's cute. It's fun to reminisce. It's a lot of fun to dress my daughter that way. However, as an adult, it's a miss on me. We don't mind a puff sleeve. We don't mind the little shoulder pad. Love the cape blazer. However, let's be realistic. None of us want to go out with this gigantic puff sleeve because, first of all, you look like a linebacker. And if you're a triangle shape, that doesn't work for you. If you're broad shoulder, it doesn't work for you. So we want to start tailoring our clothes more for us, because I've talked to you, whether it's a video chat, whether it's through social media, whether it's in store, whether we randomly have run into each other in a completely different state. We've talked, we've chatted. And I've listened, and I have decided that I'm going to start developing my own line. It's something I've always wanted to do, but now I'm kind of really going to push through. So the first piece that I want to show you, this is the first top that I kind of want to have produced. So right now in the South, it's still hot. Like, it's chilly right now. But we know later on this afternoon, we're going to be burning up. So for us, this is fall and this is winter. I love, it just has like a small scoop neckline. It's got that high neckline. It has the long sleeve sheer. There is a little bit of bubble to it, so it's going to keep you into that trend. It has the Swiss dots. What I love about it is that it's not too long and it's not too short. I've got a short torso. I'm 5'3". Sometimes I say I'm 5'6", depending on what pair of shoes that I have on. But this is long enough that it covers my mom belly. So I've had 4 kids. I've had C-sections. I don't have time to work out. And the last thing I want to do at 5 o'clock in the morning is get on my treadmill and do yoga. I love the concept of it. I love the idea of it. I admire the women who do it. I wish I could be more like you. However, realistically, it does not work for me. So I have to hide things like my mom belly. And this top does that. It's not too long, it's not too short. I have it with a pair of red trousers because you know the power of red. I'll always talk about it. If you like this piece, so I'm a size 12 and I'm wearing the extra large. If you like this piece, I want you to comment or send me a direct message. You can contact us through any platform, or you can email us at hello@shopaddies.boutique.com. If you want to order this piece, let me know. Okay, so I'm trying to get it to retail for around $46. It's made out of 100% polyester. It's lightweight. It feels great on. I feel extremely comfortable in it. So if this is a piece that you were interested in, let me know, because this is the first piece that I want to design. I want to have produced and labeled as an Addie's labeled. So that's one of the cool things that I want to show you. Okay, so this is it. That's one of the really cool things that's happening at Addie's Boutique. The second thing is we're about to become more service-based. Addie's Boutique is more than a boutique. I mean, really, honestly, we can take the boutique name out of it. Yes, you can come in and you can buy clothes. You can go online, you can download our mobile app, and you can shop in all of these places. And even when we transition to this new direction, you can still do all of that. It's your in-store experience. It is your virtual experience. That is going to be a lot different. When you walk in, it's going to be more service-based. We have the most beautiful pink couch picked out. I'm so excited about it. You're going to come in. There's going to be a tea cart where you can have water, you can have tea, maybe an adult beverage that you have to serve yourself because it's illegal for me to serve you. You're going to be very well catered to. So when you walk in, we're going to chit chat, we're going to have a great time, and you're going to say, I want this, this, and this, and this, and this. And I'm going to say, yes, ma'am, and I'm going to grab it for you. And then I'm going to make some other recommendations, and we're going to style you, and we're going to dress you, which is what we already do now, but we're going to go into an overload, which is perfect for those women who wear jeans and t-shirts, who do not like to go shopping. They hate it. So we're trying to make the environment and trying to make your experience more relaxing, more comforting, more like you're hanging out with your best friend. Because let's be honest, shopping's not for everyone. And unless you're a hardcore shopper, you dread going to pick something out, and you usually wait until the last minute. So we're going to become a destination for you. I'm going to have a list of makeup artists. I'm going to have a list of hairstylists. We're going to have a list of all of these services that you can book all through me. We're making it a one-stop shop. Of course, if we don't have the product, we're going to recommend you to someone else, and we're going to actually pick it out. There have been several times where, for an example, Mother of the Brides. I have Mother of Brides that come in all the time. They're like, Brandy, I just don't know. I have a website that we go to. We pick stuff out. We have the dresses delivered here. We try them on. We pick. I even will help you make an appointment to have it altered. We want everyone to experience that. If you are not from Alexandria, if you live in a completely different state and you understand what I'm talking about, you understand the dread of picking something out, that's what a virtual appointment is. You can go online to shopaddiesboutique.com. You can schedule a virtual. It is free. I will put you on FaceTime. If you need a glass of wine while we do it at 8 o'clock at night, we can make that happen. And what I'm gonna do is I'll try the pieces on for you. I'll help pick you out your outfits. We will talk about what is in your closet, what pieces that you have in your closet that you're like, okay, this is the idea I have, but I don't have a top, or I don't know if this is gonna work. And I'm gonna say, okay, that's fine. So go put your pants on. Go put your shoes on. This is the top we're gonna put with that. And this is also what we're gonna grab. And here's another option. And then we're gonna ship it to you. And then once you get the products, we're gonna schedule another appointment and at FaceTime or Zoom, even if it's 8 o'clock at night, you're going to try those pieces on, and I'm going to tell you, okay, I need you to do this. I need you to tuck it in here. I need you to pull it out here. I need you to adjust here. And you're going to get that same exact experience that people get in store from the comfort of your own home. And I cannot wait to let you experience that, because I'm so excited about it. And that is the favorite thing, my favorite thing about owning boutique. I could care less about selling clothes. Care less about selling clothes. I love dressing people. I love styling people. I love seeing their face light up because they found something that made them feel pretty. And I want you to have quality. I want you to have this ultimate experience, whether it is in store or whether it is, virtual. Now, the virtual we can do now, of course, we can do the in-store experience anytime. Just go to our website, which is shopaddysboutique.com, and schedule that appointment. I'll put the link below so you can have the direct access to it. But the difference when you walk in the door is going to be how it looks. So I'm really excited about that, and I'm excited to see it's going to be more of a relaxed, less boutique. So my earpod's about to fall out. I can't wait for y'all to see that. You're going to see those changes come in January. In the meantime, we're going to be doing insane sales because we're trying to get rid of a whole bunch of inventory that does not fit with the new direction that we're going, but we're also getting rid of displays. So if you are thinking of opening a boutique or opening some kind of retail space and you need display tables, sister, brother, honey, these pieces are less than a year old. We would love for you to come and buy them. Because I need them out of my way. So I'm excited about this. I'm excited about the changes. I'm excited about the journey that we are going to go on. So you're going to see a lot more styling videos, a lot more videos of my outfit of the day. So I have actually got to go. I got to get the store open. But I wanted to share these wonderful new things with you. And I want you to remember the most beautiful thing you will ever wear is a smile. I love you guys.